50 years. Half a lifetime. But only a third of the time Wisconsin has been a U.S. state. A tenth of the time since the first Europeans arrived here. A mere blink since this land has been inhabited by people. Shaped by glaciers, treasured by humans, Madison's conservation parks tell a story of people and the land. Prairie and oak woodland created and maintained through millennia of management with fire. Burial mounds marking the connection of lives to sacred places and the passing of loved ones beyond this world. Remains of villages located close to resources for food and shelter. Uplands converted to intensive agriculture and then residential development, and wetlands drained or flooded with narrow goals in mind. Woodlands and prairies, considered unproductive wastelands, left to become overgrown and invaded with introduced species. The story of people is told by the land. The story of the land is determined by people. Madison is fortunate to have such a large, healthy park system, and the Conservation Park program adds a special facet to this beautiful place. Madison continues to secure land to preserve Madison's native landscapes, its plant and animal populations, for residents' careful use and full enjoyment. Thanks to forethought and careful planning, open space and natural areas have been retained as Madison has grown and are interwoven throughout and beyond the city. This network provides habitat for a wide array of plants and animals. It supports ecosystem services such as flood control, heat mitigation, nutrient cycling, and carbon sequestration. It promotes mental health and provides spiritual solace, while offering opportunities for recreation, education, and inspiration. Park staff and volunteers sustain this network and help connect people to the land. They remove invasive species, conduct prescribed burns, and plant native plants and seed. They establish and maintain hiking trails and lead tours of the parks, explaining the value, ecology, and management of these natural areas. We are the stewards of this land today, accountable to past and future generations. What will the next 50 years bring? To get involved and help shape the next 50 years, see the Madison Parks website for volunteer opportunities.